Wires run under that stark, but this side all the way down there. Also, I did end up remounting it to this part. I had it up here, but it did not stick after a while. After a few days, it started peeling off. So I ended up just putting it right there. I think it looks better anyway. But yeah. So we'll ignore the antenna for right now. I have to get my windshield replaced, and then I think I'm gonna just put it up here on the top somewhere. But the camera, I think, has been really good. The Wolfbox, everything works great. Right now it's just the plastics right here that kind of get in the way for this camera in the back, but it's still good. And this is the one on my front grill.